Sixth experiment, we will learn about encapsulation, one of the four fundamental pillars of object-oriented programming. So let's understand this. It's basically a protection wrapper that keeps a student's data safe from accidental interference. And let's look at the code first. Okay, so we look at the code. All right, so in this code, we going to be creating two files. First file will have we store the student's data, right? So we understand this is that you need to first create two classes. So there is something called getters and setters. So what are setters? These act as input values. They allow you to pass a value with a private variable in a controlled way. And what are getters? They are basically an output value. They allow you to view the data, but you cannot change the variable directly. So you only see a view package. And in the student pack in this file, we will be basically understanding all the classes which is put in student pack. And this setup is demonstrating that even if classes are in the same package, right, the private keyword which is used here, the private keyword that is used, we understand that because it protects the data. So it requires the use of public methods to bridge the gap. Let's look at the code and let's see how it is. We go to Visual Studio Code and we clear the terminal and we run this file. So we see the name and the register number being displayed. So what happens is I can see the output, but the input is given from the user. So if the user of a student class doesn't need to know how the data is stored, they only need to know how to use the public methods provided. This is the essence of abstraction and encapsulation working together. Thank you.